Good morning, children. I am Praveen Barua, your mathematics teacher. So I welcome all of you to class 8 on behalf of our school for this academic session 2020-21. So from today we are going to start our online classes. Actually, I was supposed to give that classes before, but as I was busy in class 9 and 10, so that's why from today I will start your online classes. Online classes means actually it is not online also. I will upload my video classes in YouTube and I will give you the link, and after seeing the video, along with each video I will give you one worksheet related to that video, and that worksheet you have to do and you have to submit from my WhatsApp. Okay? So let us start our first chapter, that is what? Rational numbers. So let us see the introduction part first. So what is rational number and what is the need of rational number? Okay? So that things we are going to discuss first. Okay? So let us see this chapter first, introduction part. So children, you see, you already know the equation in class 7. You learned linear equation in one variable. Means first type of equation you have learned, x plus 1 is equal to 0. Let us say x plus 1 is equal to 2. Let us say. Okay. So it is a linear equation in one variable that you have learned. Now, if I ask, what is the solution of this equation? Okay, what is the solution of this equation? Then you will say 1. Why you are saying 1? Means what I am asking? I am asking what is the value of x here? What value of x I will put here so that this equation become what? Balanced. Let this side is called left side and this side is called what? Right side. What value of x I will put here so that this equation become what? Balanced. Means left side equal to what? Right side. Okay? Means that is the solution. So definitely your answer will be what? 1. Means if I will put, okay, value of x 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to what? 2. So definitely what we got here, value of x is equal to what? 1. Then only this equation will be balanced. Okay? Means 1. What type of number this one? 1. 1 is what? A whole number. 1 is a what? Whole number. You know what is whole number? You have learned in class 6 itself. Whole number means 0 along with the natural number are called what? Whole numbers. Okay? Means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to infinity. That all the numbers are called what? Whole numbers. Okay? And 0 itself is also a what? Whole number. Okay? Now let us see one more situation. Now let us come to this equation, x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now if I ask what is the solution of this equation, means what value of x I will put so that the left side equal to what? Right side. Means the equation will be balanced. So definitely what will be the value of x? इधर में x का value हम क्या बिठाएंगे so that it will become 0. Okay. So what will be your answer? What is your answer? Your answer is what? Minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1. If I put x is equal to minus 1, okay, then this equation equal to what? 0. Means left side will become to right side. Okay, means here in this question x is equal to minus 1. Okay, so this minus 1. What type of number this is? This is called what? Integers. What? Integers. Okay, this is called what? Integers. Now you see, to solve a linear equation, we not only need whole number, sometimes we need integers also. Is it clear to? Why I am giving these examples? I am giving these examples because to solve a linear equation, to find the solution of a linear equation in one variable, it is not necessary that every time you need a what? Whole number. Sometimes you need a what? Integers also. Okay, you see, x is equal to, in this case, the value of x is what? -1. Sometimes I need integers also. So now, what is integers? Let us see. What is integers? So that one you have learned in class 7, class 6. So, although you have learned, let us recall the things what is integers. Okay, you know what is a number line? In a number line, in the right side of the zeros, these numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, like this infinite number. And the right side, -3, -4, this type of numbers are there. Alright. Now what are integers? These positive numbers, these are the positive numbers and the what? Negative numbers. Positive numbers and negative numbers together are called what? Integers. Integers means it may be a what? Positive number. It may be a what? Negative number also. Whole number means what? Only the what? Positive numbers only. Remember that one. Okay. Only the positive number and 0. Okay. So integers means if you include this positive number 1, 2, 3, 4 and -1, -2, -3, infinite numbers are there. Okay. So that positive numbers and the negative numbers, they are together called what? Integers. Is it clear to you? Okay. So to solve a linear equation in one variable, sometimes we need what? Integers also. It is not necessary every time we need what? Whole number. Okay. Is it clear to you? Okay. Now come to the one more situation. Okay, so here again I am giving one example of what linear equation in one variable. 3x is equal to 2. Now my question is, what is the solution of this what? What is the solution of this equation? Alright. Now you see, means I am asking the solution, means I am asking what is the value of x? Okay, what value of x I will put so that this equation become balanced, means left side and right side, left hand side is equal to right side. So can you tell me x का क्या value होगा इधर में? What value I will put here so that left side equal to right side? Okay, so let us see. If I put in place of x 2/3, is it clear? So this 3 will cancel. So ultimately what you will get? What is left? 2 is left. Means is equal to 2 I am getting. Is it clear to you? Means here what is the value of x I will put so that the equation become balanced? This 2/3. Okay? 2/3. Yes. Means x is equal to 2/3. Okay? So this type of numbers are called rational number. This type of numbers are called what? Rational numbers. In lower classes you have learned about fraction also. But there is a little difference between fraction and a what? Rational number. That we are going to discuss. Okay? That's why to solve a linear equation in one variable, sometime we need what? Rational numbers also. Okay, that thing we are going to discuss in this chapter. What is rational number? Okay, so this type of numbers are called what? Rational numbers. Okay, that I am going to discuss now in the next topic. Okay, now again take one more addition. 3x is equal to, let us say 2. So let us say -2. Okay, so what value of x I will put here so that it will become -2? So it is equal to 3 into -2/3. What value I will put here in place of x? I will put if I will put -2/3, then I will get the answer -2. So this 3 cancel. So what will remain? -2 will remain. -2 will remain. Okay, means what is the value of x here? Value of x is equal to what? Minus 2 by 3. This is a what? This is a rational number. Why it is a rational number? We are going to discuss now. This is a rational number. My dear children, remember this is a rational number, but this is not a fraction. It is, you see, minus 2 by 3. It is not a fraction, but it is a what? Rational number. It is a rational number. Okay. So from these above examples, what I came to know, what we came to know, to solve a linear equation in one variable. Sometimes you need what? Whole number. Sometimes you need what? Integers. Sometimes you need such type of numbers. And the such type of numbers are called rational number. Okay? So now let's come to the definition of a what? Rational number. What is a rational number? Alright? Okay, let us come to the definition, the actual definition of what? Rational numbers. A number that can be written in P by Q form is called a rational number, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. Did you understand anything? कुछ समझ में आया आपको? नहीं? Yes. Okay. No problem. I'll make you understand what this statement says. So let us discuss this statement and what I have written in the blackboard. Okay, in the green board. Sorry. Now, a number that can be written in P by Q form. P by Q form means, you see, I am writing 1 by 2 or 1. So a number. So I am writing a number. I am writing a number in which form? P by Q form. P by Q means this is P and this is what? Q. Are you getting? A number that can be written in P by Q form is called a rational number. It's called a what? A rational number. Okay. So P by Q form I have written. So that's why 1 by 2 is a what? Rational number. Okay. Then what is, again, some other things are also there. That is very important part here. Where P and Q are integers. Very important thing. Where P and Q are what? Integers. Alright? P and Q's are integers. Means this P, it may be a positive number, it may be a negative number. This Q, it also it may be a what? Integer. Means it may be a positive number, it may be a negative number. Means that rational number you can write like this. This is also a rational number, P by Q form. This is also a rational number, P by Q form. You see here, integer. This P and Q are what? Integer. It may be negative, it may be what? Positive. Are you getting? Is it clear to you? Now, and again one more thing is given. Q should not be equal to what? 0. Q कभी भी 0 का equal नहीं होना है. Means this denominator. So whenever you are writing in P by Q form, this denominator means Q. This Q is denominator or not? This Q should not be equal to what? 0. If denominator is 0, then what is the problem? Let us see. Suppose if I am writing 2 by 0, can you tell me what will be the answer? 2 by 0 is equal to how much? Can you tell me? Yes. So confused हो गया? So 2 by 0 means it is undefined quantity. You cannot define. Undefined. It is what? Undefined. So whenever something is divided by 0, it is an undefined quantity. You cannot write the answer here. Okay. So that's why it is written here in that statement that this Q should not be equal to 0. Means that denominator should not be what? Equal to 0. Okay. So that is about what? Rational number. The definition of what? Rational number. So can you give? Let us try to write more examples of what? Rational number. 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2 is also a rational number. Okay. Then 5 by 2. Then 5 by minus 2. This is also a what? Rational number. Okay. So any number that can be written in P by Q form is called a what? Rational number. So that thing, remember, you should, that rational number, that same concept you will get in class 9, that first chapter. That's why learn these things here itself in class 8 very properly. Okay. Now I hope it is clear to you what is the difference between fraction and what rational number. Can you tell me what is the difference you have seen? Okay, this is a fraction. You can tell this one as a fraction also, as a rational number also, no problem. But this is not a fraction. This is just a rational number. This is fraction also, rational number also. This is what? Rational number, not a fraction. This is rational number, and you can sometimes fraction भी बोल सकते हो, no problem. But this one is rational number only, not a fraction. I hope it is clear the difference between the fraction and a what? Rational number. So that is the definition of rational number. And let us try to give more examples. Okay, I will ask you some questions now. Now, can you tell me whether 1 is a rational number or not? Whether 1 is a rational number or not? Yes. क्या 1 rational number है? तो obviously आप क्या सोच रहे हैं? What you are thinking? According to the definition of rational number, no, it is not a rational number because it is not in P by Q form. Okay? Sir told that rational number क्या होता है? The number that can be written in P by Q form. But it is not in P by Q form. Only P is there, that Q is not there. Oh, that is not a rational number. So my dear children, remember, this is also a rational number. Why this is a rational number? So let us see. 1, can you write 1 by 1? 1 by 1 means what? 1 only. So if I write 1 like this, 1 by 1, the value is not changed, it is 1 only. So now it is in P by Q form or not? Yes, that's why 1 is also a rational number. Remember, let us discuss some properties of what? A rational number. The first property that we are going to learn, that is what? Closure property. Closure property. Okay. Now, it may be that closure property, it may be different in addition, it may be different in subtraction, multiplication and division. That things we are discuss one by one. Now the first of all we are going to take addition. Addition means whether addition of rational number obeys closure property or not. क्या addition of closure rational number closure property को मानता है कि नहीं मानता है? That we are going to discuss. So what closure property says? Okay, closure property says if you add two rational number and if you are getting the answer a rational number only rational number only, then you can say that closure property obeys what? Addition of rational numbers obeys what? Closure property. Okay, so let us discuss this one. Let us take one rational number 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. Okay, two rational number I am taking here. This is one rational number, this is one rational number. Alright, now we try to add this two rational number. So you know how to add fractions that you have learned in class 7 itself. Okay, so take the LCM 2 and 3. What is the LCM of 2 and 3? 6. So 2 and 1 6, 3 3 is 9 plus 3 and 1 6 2 3 and 1 6 2 5 is 10. So it is equal to what? 19 by 6 means I am getting a what? I am getting a what? Rational number only. Means when I am adding two rational number, I am getting the answer rational number. Okay, what does it mean? It means addition of rational number obey what? Closure property. Is it clear to you? Means when you add two rational number and if you are getting the answer a rational number only, then you can say that addition of rational number obeys what? Closure property. Okay, now come to the next part, that is what? Subtraction. Whether, let us see whether subtraction obeys closure property or not. So let us discuss subtraction. Subtractions, let us discuss. So let us take two rational number. Yours one you can take any rational number. 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5, let us say. Okay? Now subtract. What is the LCM of 5 and 5? This is 5. So this is 3 minus 2. So is equal to 1 by 5. We are getting the answer what? 1 by 5 means this is also a rational number, this is also a rational number, and you are getting the answer also a what? Rational number. Alright? Means when you subtract any two rational number, you will get the answer what? Rational number only. So what does it means? It means rational number, subtraction of rational number obeys what? Closure property. Is it clear to you? Now come to the next one, that is what? Multiplication. Whether multiplication obeys closure property or not. Multiplication of rational numbers obeys closure property or not. Okay, so let us discuss about what? Multiplication. So take any two rational number. Let us take 3 by 2 into 5 by 2. Take any two rational number and you try to multiply. So when you multiply these two rational number, so let us see what is the outcome, what is the answer. So 3 5s are 15, 2 2s are 4. Means I am getting a what? Rational number only. Is it clear? So when I am multiplying any two rational number, I am getting what? A rational number only. So what is the conclusion that multiplication of rational number, sorry, you can write like this: rational numbers are closed. Rational numbers are closed under multiplication. Rational numbers are closed under multiplication. Means rational multiplication of rational numbers obeys what? Closure property. Alright. Now let us discuss the next one, that is division. That is the most important. Let us discuss about the multiplication. Division. Division. Whether divisions obeys closure property or not. Okay. Now let us do by some examples. I am taking 3 by 2 divided by 5 by 2, 5 by 3. Okay. I am going to divide. So this is a rational number. This is also a rational number. So let us divide this one. So you know how to divide a fractional number. Same thing. Now you have to take the reciprocal of 5 by 3. Means when you are changing divide sign into multiplication, you have to change the you have to take the reciprocal of 5 by 3. Means 3 by 5. Okay, so you are getting 3 by 3, 9, 3 into 3, 9, 2 5 the 10, 9 by 10. Means rational number dividing two rational number I am dividing, I am getting a rational number. Alright, but so you may be thinking, yes, rational division of rational number is closed under rational number of division of rational number obeys what? Closure property. So let us check one more example. Then only you will come to the conclusion. Suppose 5 5 is also a rational number. Just now I told in my previous lecture. Divided by 0. This is also a rational number. This is also a rational number. Alright. 5 is also a rational number. 0 is also a rational number. Okay. 5 divided by 0 means 5 divided by 0. Whether you will get the answer rational number, whether you will get a rational number answer or not. Yes. No, we are not. When we are in every case, when you will divide a rational number by a rational number, in every time we will not get a rational number. Okay. So 5 divided by 0. This is a undefined quantity. Undefined. You cannot define. Undefined quantity. It is not, the answer is 5 by 0. 5 by 0 is not a rational number. It is an undefined quantity. So what conclusion you have arrived now? Means divisions of rational number does not obey closure property. rational number को division करने से वो closure property obey नहीं करता है. Means division of rational number is not closed. Means so what conclusion you can give? Rational numbers are not closed under division. Rational numbers are not closed under division. So in closure property we have learned addition of rational numbers obeys closure property. Subtraction of rational numbers obeys closure property. Multiplication of rational numbers obeys closure property. Alright. Then division of rational numbers does not obeys closure property. Remember, these are some properties that is today we discuss only about what? Closure property only. So in our next class we are going to learn what? Commutative property and associative property. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.